The year was 1985. Sunaina and Mahinder Pal Dhawan were blessed with a baby boy. The boy took to cricket pretty early on and began as a wicketkeeper batter playing for his school St. Mark's in West Delhi. One thing was clear about him from get-go. He was mighty competitive and would hate to lose.
तो इसने उसमें 100 बनाया, मतलब मैच हार गए पर उसके बाद भी ये मैच के बाद ना रोता रहा है, तो मुझे लगा नहीं ये इसके अंदर है ना एहसास है कि भाई मेरी वजह से टीम हार गया.
Slowly and gradually, Shikhar Dhawan rose through the ranks in age group cricket, scoring loads of runs in the Cooch Behar Trophy. And before one knew it, the left-hander was playing for the India Under-19 team. It was during the 2004 Under-19 World Cup that this flamboyant southpaw caught the attention of the world. Smashing 505 runs at an astonishing high average of 84, he would end up that World Cup as the man of the tournament. But despite his phenomenal success, Shikhar had to endure the tough times of watching his under-19 teammates make the Indian team while he still waited for his opportunity.
उसके बाद अंडर-19 वर्ल्ड कप खेला. वर्ल्ड कप में भी उसने हाईएस्ट रन गेटर रहा, 505 रन बनाए. फिर चैलेंजर ट्रॉफी खेला. चैलेंजर ट्रॉफी में भी जैसे आपने बताया भी धोनी के साथ 100 किया और उसको उसका एक इनाम मिलना चाहिए था, पर वो उसके बहुत बाद इंडिया खेला. 2004 जब वर्ल्ड कप खेला उसको 2010 में इंडिया खेलने को मिली, बल्कि उसके साथ के प्लेयर दिनेश कार्तिक, रॉबिन थप्पा, सुरेश रैना, वी सिंह, काफ़ी ऐसे प्लेयर थे जो इंडियन टीम में पहुंच चुके थे.
But eventually his hard work paid off. After a toil of 52 first-class games, the boy from West Delhi who dared to dream made his India debut in October 2010. Though it was anything but a dream debut dismissed for a two-ball duck, his future flashed before his eyes.
जो पहला मैच था उसमें मैं 0 पे भी आउट हो गया, तो मैं हंसता वापस आ रहा था. मैंने क्या सोच के आया था और क्या हो गया. And I was just laughing, smiling.
His white ball career for India remained a stop-start affair. The catalyst proved to be his Test debut in 2013. Playing against the mighty Australians, wearing Test cap number 277, Dhawan created history, scoring his maiden Test ton in just 85 balls, becoming the fastest to do so on Test debut.
ड्रीम है मेरे लिए कि पहले अपने डेब्यू में इतना अच्छा स्कोर करना, तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा.
By 2013, Shikhar's career reached its peak. The Champions Trophy in England saw one of the most successful opening pairs in white ball cricket of Shikhar and Rohit take India to an ICC title, with Dhawan emerging as the player of the tournament. Soon Gabbar became a household name.
खुश करने के लिए मैसेज चला, बहुत यार आना है सुअर के बच्चों. तो अब मैं सिली पॉइंट पे चलाता था, एकदम से देखते थे एम्पायर की कहाँ से बाज आई, क्या हो गया. फिर विजय भैया ने मेरा नाम गब्बर डाल दिया.
His exploits in ICC trophies, from the 2013 Champions Trophy to becoming the highest run scorer for India at the 2015 World Cup to the top run getter even at the 2017 Champions Trophy. No wonder Gabbar also came to be known as Mr. ICC. He would finish his career averaging 65 in ICC events. After a brief dip in form, IPL 2020 is where Dhawan had a fantastic season for Delhi Capitals, scoring 618 runs. He made a comeback in India's ODI and T20I side and led a young team in the Sri Lanka tour in 2021. But soon runs began to dry up and the competition from youngsters became stiff.
आई फील कि जैसे अभी इस वक्त शुभमन है, तो जैसे मैंने पहले भी बोला कि शुभमन दोनों फॉर्मेट खेल रहा था और बहुत अच्छा कर रहा था. उसने टेस्ट मैच में भी, T20 में भी, तो वो इंटरनेशनल सर्किट में ज़्यादा मैचेस खेल रहा था और मैं इतने नहीं खेल रहा था. तो अगर मैं सिलेक्टर होता तो ज़रूर शुभमन को मौका देता.
आप शिखर को नहीं देते?
हाँ जी.
आप शिखर को मौका नहीं देते?
शिखर को नहीं को देते.
तो आप शिखर के ऊपर शुभमन को चुनते?
हाँ जी.
आप शिखर के ऊपर शुभमन को चुनते?
शिखर के ऊपर शुभमन को चुन लेता उस वक्त. बिल्कुल.
One of the best openers for India with 10,867 runs, 269 matches and 24 centuries. A man who captained his country on 15 appearances. An IPL legend who finished his career second on the list of most runs in the IPL. And most importantly, a person with no haters in a country of 1.4 billion people. Shikhar Dhawan will always be remembered as an unsung hero of Indian cricket.